It says calculate the value of t. Okay, the value of t is the x-coordinate of n. As we established at the beginning that the n is the x-intercept. How do we see that n is the x-intercept? We see through the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is 0, so it tells us that this is where the line AD crosses the x-intercept. So now they're asking you to find the value of t. That's basically the x-coordinate. So we've established already the equation or the expression of our line AD to be 4 over 3. We just calculated 9 plus 1 over 14 over 3. Now, you're looking for the value of x. You substitute y equals 0, and you look for the value of t. You're going to solve for x here. The value of x you get will be the x-coordinate of t, or the value of t. Does that make logical sense? Go for it too. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. Tomorrow we're gonna see if we do probability or finance. We'll tell you. With the right, I put that over that side there. Okay, sharp. Then now let's solve for x. So I'm gonna take that to the other side. The aim is for me to have x alone on one side. So I'm gonna take this to the other side. When that happens, it becomes the opposite of what it was. It becomes a negative. Okay, and then mathematicians say that whenever you come across a situation where you have a over b equals c over d, when you have a fraction equals another fraction, you are more than welcome to cross multiply, such that you have a times d on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have c times b. That's what it is. Similarly, we're going to apply that. We've got we're going to multiply this and this and that. We're going to go 3 times minus 14 gives us how much? Minus proper stuff, negative 42. Then 3 times 4x proper stuff, 12x again. Yes. So remember, the aim is for you to have x equals something. So you have to get rid of this 12. The only way to do that is if you divide by 12. What you do on one side must also be done on the other. So therefore, this will cancel that. And then, yes, yes. Or isn't the x for both the numerator and the denominator? It is. No, no, no. It's if it's like for both. Like if it lies at the top or basically in the middle, ne, it vies with the numerator. It can't be here. It can't be here. No. This is like a denominator. It's always there. It's there. It vies with the numerator. Are we together? Whenever you see something like this, ne, where you have 2 over 3x, ne, even though it looks like it's for both, this is basically 0.66x. You understand? So, but it vies with the numerator when it's like that. Proper stuff. So what is minus 42 divided by 12? What is minus 42 divided by? Say again. Proper stuff. So negative 7 over 2. So therefore, the value of t is negative 7 over 2. Any questions? Delicious, ne? Delicious. Okay, we move to the next one. 3.4. Let me clear this because it's a bit messy. Let's clear this. Okay, let's zoom in. Okay, it says calculate the length of AN. Where's AN? There's AN. This length, ne? AN. So length is basically distance. So we're going to use the distance formula for AN. So we're gonna go. Let's do it up top. The distance of AN equals this formula you must know by heart, ne? Yes, it's in the formula sheet, ne? But you must know it by heart. Why is it important for you to know it by heart? It saves time. You won't have to be paging through your question paper trying to find a formula. If you know it by heart, you're sorted. You're gonna save like some time. Sharp, sharp. We're gonna substitute now. Let's take our a's as our ones, whichever one floats your boat. Let's take our a coordinates as our ones. Our n coordinates as our twos. Okay. 7 over 2 minus 7 over 2 same as minus 2 minus 3.5. Are we together? Yes? Minus 3.5. It makes it easy for your calculations or substitution. Let's move. X2, let's take this as a x1, y1, x2, y2, whichever one. X2 is minus 2, sorry, minus 3. This. Then this minus, and then minus 2 squared plus our y2 is 0, and then this minus our y1 is 2. You square it. Therefore, the distance of AN equals this minus 3 plus 2. This is plus 2. Minus 3 plus 2 will give you 1. Will give you minus 1. The minus 1 squared is just 1. Or let me just do it. Minus 3 plus 2 squared plus minus 2 squared. Okay. DAN. This will give us minus 1. Minus 1 in brackets like this squared gives us positive 1. Minus 1 without brackets gives us negative 1. So be careful. This is with the brackets, so it gives you positive 1. Plus minus 2 in brackets like this gives you positive 4. But minus 2 without brackets squared gives you negative 4. So this one is in brackets, be careful. So therefore the distance of AN is root 5 units. Sisonke Matiota.